Hello students, welcome to my video class. In the preceding class, we learned about different preposition. So today we shall discuss about some new ones. Some students feel confused when they are using or when they use for or since. For, we use for with a period of time. It rained for 3 hours. We have been waiting for 20 minutes. You see, 3 hours means we do not know exactly. Mane 1 ru 3 ki 3 ru 6. It is uncertain. So it is a period of time. The same way, we have been waiting for 20 minutes. It is period of time. And so far as since is concerned, we use since with point of time. Point of time means starting time or beginning time. We have not seen him since August 2019, or we have lived here since 2013. Okay, so August 29 beginning time, 2013 beginning time. So we used since here. Next, till until. We use the preposition till until to express finishing time. Means the actions start from a particular time. The book fair continued until Friday. He will be in Kolkata till or until next November. So Friday and next November finishing time. Understood? Next, there is also confusion in using on time or in time. On time, we use on time with exact time, means right time, or it is a scheduled time, or it is already arranged. Example, the train arrived at the station on time. The school bell rang on time. Okay. So far as in time is concerned, we use in time before exact time. निर्दिष्ट समय पूर्वरु in time व्यवहार आसी जेंटे आमे ताकु यथा समय कहूचे. रमेश reached school in time. We reached the station in time to catch the 6:30 AM train. एग्जांपल देखो, जदि ट्रेन टाइम 10 बजे अच्छे बोले आम 10 बजे पूर्व पहुँचीमा. So that is in time. Okay. Next, between. We can use between for a period of after one time and before another. Example, you can see the doctor between 5 and 8 p.m. Not many people work between the Christmas and New Year's Day. Understood? During. We use during to express whole period of time, means from the beginning to end. I stayed in Bhubaneswar during the entire winter. He lost his legs during the war. Okay. We can also use from for the time when something starts, means where there is a beginning time. It started raining from 7 in the morning. Tickets will be sold from next morning. Understood? The preposition form is also used with what? Till, until, or to. The road will be closed from Friday evening to Monday morning, till Monday morning, until Monday morning. I could not attend the school from dated 2/8/2020 to 10/8/2020. Okay. Now you see, preposition like on, in are not used with the following adverbials. Example, next morning, last week, last Monday, next Monday, yesterday, tomorrow, today, this morning, this week. Example, you see, he will visit his uncle's house next Friday. Next Friday, it is not possible to use on next Friday. But on can also be used if it is written in this way. You see, he will visit his uncle's house on Friday next. Next Friday Friday next we can use the preposition on there. Understood? So now we also use the preposition by for means of travel. Means of travel माने travel करिवार माध्यम. We use by for means of travel. Take for example, he goes to college by bus, by car, by train, by rickshaw, by plane, by air. We use certain preposition by. But remember, we use in or on if an article means A and D is used before the means of travel. যদি means of travel रो पूर्व যদি हम article A किंबा N किंबा D व्यवहार करते हैं बोले हमको by र परिवर्ती instead of using by we have to use the preposition on or in. You see the example. He went to college on a bicycle, not by a bicycle. So bicycle पूर्व A लगी चे इर article ला तेरे की ना on लाला. On the bicycle, on his bicycle, on a bus, like this. But remember or bear in mind, we use in for car and boat. The car एवं boat रे हमें on फिर भी व्यवहार करिवा नहीं, क्या व्यवहार करना in व्यवहार करना. Example, we went to Puri in a car, right? Next, mode of communication, जोगाजोगर माध्यम. We use the preposition by for mode of communication. He sent the message by post, by cable, by telegram, by hand, by post, right? By telephone, by email, by mail, by letter, like this. But remember, we use on before TV and the radio. I am watching news on TV. What is on TV today? I heard a program on the radio. So the radio to TV program we use on. Next, mode of payment. We also use by for the mode of payment. Take for example, they paid the bill by check, by credit card. But in is used for cash. For cash specially we have to use the preposition in. I paid the tuition fees in cash. Okay. Next go to preposition of instrument. The letter was written with a pencil. Here pencil is an instrument of writing and as there is the article A, so we use with. You follow the second example. The letter was written in pencil. Here without article, so we use the preposition in. Right. Next, preposition of agency means instrumentality. Example, the temple was designed by Ravi. You know, we use this is a doer of the action in passive, was designed by Ravi. It is an agent or agency. I make a living by teaching. So it is a means of living. Jivana raha artha hoche tarike we use the preposition by. He was killed by lightning. It is instrumentality. So we use the preposition by. Okay. I hope you will have enjoyed my class. Thank you.